I can edit it, just kind of, I just don't want butt crack. Well, good morning. Hey, I'm back out here at the pond I grew up on, and the fishing is not good today. I was going to kind of show you this area, but what we're going to do today is scoop up some edge moss and grass and plants and stuff, just fill a cooler chest full and kind of go dump it in my pond. But I was going to kind of give you a pan around view. This particular pond, like I said, it was built probably 40 years ago. There was a little creek running through here, and my dad had it dammed up. It was kind of a nightmare because the first guy he hired got stuck. You know, you're damming it up in water. Anyway, we had to wait for a drought to finish it. But very overgrown, very, I guess you would call stable. What's kind of interesting is how domesticated plants just make it in. So I'm going to show you right here, the little yellow. That's a honeysuckle. I don't know if it's native or not. I know it's something people buy and plant on their fence lines, but it's just kind of funny that it's in here. Anyway, I was going to pan around. This is the overflow. And when I said that on the last video we'd caught three bass, there's that cooler chest there. Anyway, this is the overflow. You can see a little PVC pipe, and it's got this big body of water. When I said one bass jumped out of the cooler chest, he actually jumped out in this body of water. We kind of murkied up the water we kind of stepped over through here, which brought dirtier water in here, so it's not very clear. But there's a nice sized bass in here, and I'm gonna need to get him out. Probably have to come back with a fishing net and just chase him to one end or the other and get him out of there. If not, the next flood will hopefully chase him down to the next body of water. But they had recently hired a mulching company. You can see the edge here, it kind of tapers down. They hired a mulching company to just come and mulch everything. These are two different landowners. So this landowner, after it was mulched, is cutting all the stubbles and stuff. And you can see over there the different landowner. It's just going to become forest again. No, I'm not here to chime in either way on about it, just kind of showing you it. But anyway, let's get back to why we're here today. Let's go look at the edge of the pond. And I used to come out here as a kid with a garden rake, and always took pride in catching a bass without just coming out here with a bare hook. But I would go into the pond and just rake up the muck and look inside of it. There'd be minnows, crawdads, tadpoles, you know, so I could use it for bait and catch some fish. Anyway, so we're gonna rake in this algae area and then get some of this here. I mean, I'm just gonna rake it up in a cooler chest, then we're just gonna go drop it into my pond, and we may push some of the plants into the pond. Anyway, let me shut the camera down and start raking, I guess. We'll probably see you on the other side at my pond. There's a good example of what I'm doing. Guess I'm not really going to dig through it, but there could be anything mixed up in there. I just scooped it in from the edge here. So you can kind of see where I raked here. Anyway, looking down, I got roots and all. That's a good haul right there. Got the roots with it. Okay, we're down here at my pond. So as you can see, the culvert over here, I did not add water to it. We're still in kind of a rainy season, so I'm not going to jump the gun and obsess about it. I think if we have a good 2-inch rain, it'll do a pretty good amount of filling up over here. But I'm gonna hand the phone over to Frank. He's looking too snazzy today. I don't want him getting all muddy, but he's going to film me while I kind of put this muck in there. I will say, I didn't see a whole lot of life, which is kind of disappointing. I was expecting tadpoles, crawdads, minnows when I was raking this stuff up. Maybe we'll find some when I'm pulling it out, but when I was scooping it, I didn't see anything. But we'll be doing this again. These kind of came up like a carpet. We'll just throw it in the water, see what happens. got a little snail. See that? Yep, nothing alive in here. Anyway, we'll see what that does. Maybe some of this stuff will root and we'll start getting some vegetation like the old pond has. We will see what happens. Y'all have a great day.